Dave, put that down. Put it down.
Are you buy?
No, it's covered in. Big, huge church sale. See what they got over here. Bunch of tools. See a VCR player. These Nintendo Wii wheels are great to pick up. They either pair with the system or with a Mario Kart game. Good morning. Do you have any video game stuff? I see these.
I'm sorry?
Do you have any Wii stuff? More Wii stuff?
Not that I know of.
Okay. I just saw these sitting out there, so I was curious if you guys had more, maybe. How much are these, by the way?
I do 5 for both of them.
5 for the pair. Heater and defroster. Oh, cassette tapes. I didn't see these sitting here. So I always go through CD books because sometimes you'll find tons of games or like tons like rap. Let's hoping some rock. No. Does the VCR work?
As far as I know.
How much you asking for it?
$5.
$5?
What is this thing? Nike Charge. I'm gonna get these, I think, for 5.
Little MCM?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. I think they're metal, not glass. What do you think? Are they metal or glass?
Yeah, they're definitely metal. Look at the inside.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's literally engraved. Like, this is metal. It's just painted to look. They're cool pieces that they're made to look stone.
Yeah, these are cool.
Should I buy the VCR? Should I not buy the VCR? That's.
I was looking at it too.
I know.
You gotta love them.
All right. You like to cash me out, ma'am? Here's a 10.
Thank
I
you.
put the other thing back. So.
Oh, okay. Do you want a bag?
Sure. $2.
Have you done this sale before? A couple of times. Price a little bit of $10.
Did you see the Scooby-Doo stuff?
$10 a piece for those.
Oh.
Yeah.
This?
I didn't ask on that.
Oh. Man, do you have more sports card stuff?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Some more down over that.
On that? Okay.
They got some boxes like that, but I don't know, I think they're going to be a little bit higher, but I'm not too sure.
What do you ask on this, ma'am?
That's 10.
$10? Here, I'll give you $10 for it. There you go.
I didn't get these because I already have all these at home. All these boxes. I got all of them cards already.
Yeah.
I've been selling mine on and off. I keep some and then sell some, but
Collector set.
I got that whole set at one time.
Yeah.
I got that for $35. I don't know what they're going for now, but I mean, I think there was a couple of them.
How much are the Pokemon cards?
I don't know. Yeah, that's one of these gentlemen.
Oh, okay.
What
do we got
like I said,
here?
I have these too, so that's why I didn't bother. But I don't want to buy duplicates anymore. I've been buying too many duplicates, you know.
Yeah, the hologram sets.
Yeah.
I'm more looking for. I'm looking for more wax to open up.
The wax. Oh, I got some of them.
How much are the Pokemon cards?
$2 a pack.
How much a pack? $2.
We'll buy them all. I'll send them all to you at once. We'll make a deal. Get rid of them.
What are you thinking for all of them?
200.
200. How many packs are there?
I have no idea. So I figure if you're interested, you know. I mean, there's several packs. And they got 6 to a pack. I think, like I said, yeah, 6 plus.
1, 2, 3.
Tell you what, give me 175 and take it.
5 for 6 for 7.
I'm becoming increasingly interested in leaving.
Yes. Do me a favor, count that pile. How many we got there?
This pile right here?
Yeah, just all
the whole bag?
Yeah, all the Pokemon stuff. Told me $2 a piece, and then he said $175 for them all. I'm like, how many are there? He's like, I don't know. Would you do 125 for them all?
I'll do 160. That's it, bro.
Yeah, I can't do 160, man.
All right, 140. That's it.
All right, I'll do 140. Yeah, I have a 140.
I might have a few.
What kind of game do you think you have?
Xbox 360 and PS3.
Cool.
Probably Wii.
Okay. Do you know where they are to pull out?
No.
Okay, you're still looking. Let me go put this in my truck. I'll be right back. All right. All right. So I paid $140 for these. There's like roughly about 130, so about $1 a pack. I think it's a good deal.
Last time I sold all of my Rainbow GXs.
What are you asking for all these?
For like the whole bin.
Yeah, Nick, for all your Pokemon cards.
Yeah, just $5 a bin.
$5 a bin. Oh. Oh my God, Batman, Ninja Turtles. What do you have on this box?
I don't know.
$55 on that one?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. My brother, he has a steel plastic Babe Ruth
Ghost.
card somewhere.
Nice.
Or did you not
Ghostbusters, original
Dude,
Ghostbusters.
I hate it movie. Did you see it?
No, I haven't. Gremlins? Those Gremlins?
You'll
cards?
like it because you love Ghostbusters.
Oh, I love, it's one of my favorites.
I think they're killing the series.
I like the last one. The last Ghostbusters was okay.
The last one was better than this one.
Yeah. What do you got on that?
$5.
$5. Take 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 3 for it. 1, 2, 3.
Take it.
For just those 2 boxes.
Alright.
I'll pass the other ones. Thank you.
$30.
$30.
Yes, sir. You have it all just for another 10, 15.
How much is your plushie?
2.
Yo, you're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me, Smalls.
Yeah, they're all small. I'm sorry, sir.
No. That's what the shirt says. You're killing me, Small.
Oh, you're killing me, small.
Yeah. It's from the actual movie. Ooh. How much are the games?
5.
5 gifts each.
Both of them?
Dave, put that down. Put it down.
Or you buy it? Did you
No,
buy it?
it's covered in feces.
Oh,
The whole inside's covered in
It's
feces.
actually something I enjoy.
Yes. Oh, I figured you would. That's why you didn't put
Instead
it.
of putting it down, I'm gonna lick it.
Well, you didn't put it down. You just started rubbing it and started salivating from the mouth, which I thought was extremely weird.
I don't know
But
that I have any sanitizer, do you?
no, I was about to ask you the same question. I learned that the hard way.
All right, let's see then.
Yeah. After a brief stop at the local gas station to give herself a bath in their sink and pick up some hand sanitizer, it was on to the next sale. Dave, have you ever sold these before?
The sharper image. No, but you did.
I've sold a bunch of these.
Some sharper image.
So what you do is you actually buy these and then you actually part it out. You make really good money.
It's like a new wave oven.
It is, pretty much. Oh, that was what I was expecting.
That is not a Red Wing.
This is the weirdest looking cowboy boots I've ever seen.
Are they Victoria's Secret?
I don't think they're your size, buddy. Here you go, Dave. It's your car club.
I hauled the load of scrap from the scrapyard guy there knows. He says, how did you get that load? I told him I didn't scrap. But if I took it off the belt,
How much? Nope, sorry. Yeah, she got us. How much are your books?
$2 a piece.
So, you have a nice day.
Nice to meet you, JC. Take care.
You want to buy a whole bunch? We'll make a deal with you.
The whole deal?
We'll make a deal if you want to buy a whole bunch of them.
How much you thinking?
Well, like I said, there's auto manuals, there's all those Mitchells in there.
Yeah.
There's some of them small ones, which
How much for the whole container?
I wonder how many books are in there roughly.
I don't know, probably like 25.
That's $20 sound for all.
20 bucks
all of them.
for all of them.
But you don't get, I don't think, I have to ask her, you gonna let the tub go with them?
He's taking the whole thing?
He's he's buying all the books.
If he's taking all that, he can take the whole thing. He's buying
Okay.
them all.
I told him $20 for all the books.
Yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks for him.
See, you didn't know you was going to get the wheeling deal.
There
Most
you go.
of the places,
Thank you.
Most people want new price for this stuff.
Yeah, no, I get it.
I want stuff gone.
Hey, I'm the same way, but I keep buying more stuff.
Taiwan ROC. How much are these
That's cool.
little glass doggos?
You want the whole box?
Yeah.
$5.
Yeah, $5 worth.
It's cool, man. You getting it?
No, I didn't. You like old clothes.
Let me see. Oh, let me see it. Oh, I thought you were gonna get
No,
it.
I was showing you. I just thought it was
Gotcha.
cool that it was Taiwan ROC. I don't see
Yeah.
that often in clothes.
How much for this, ma'am?
$5?
Do 3?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Get the whole book of manuals.
Oh, there you go. How much?
$20.
You always buy heavy stuff.
I know. It's just,
That's so he.
Can I pay you
That's
the-
why he said he brought you.
That's right. Yeah.
yeah, he's the muscle. Can you tell?
Yeah,
It's, it's a work in progress. Definitely a work in progress.
He's the pack mule.
Old car manuals and repair books can do really well. These weren't as good as we were hoping, but we should make about $100 on this.
Several there.
What do you have in this box of bumper stickers?
On the stickers,
Yeah. The stack of them all.
The whole box?
Yes, ma'am.
now
Let me look through them. Hold on.
Did one of you work at Mercer?
My son.
Ah, okay.
People had all the brand new clothes.
there's all kinds in there.
Yeah, Champion. What do you want for the whole box? Whole container?
Mainly yours. What do you?
You want to sell your
No, you can have the container. I can put those in a bag, but I just want the
how's $5 for all of them, Sam?
$5.
Now you know that how I am on this.
Oh yeah, I got you. I'll give you $5 for it.
Okay.
Take that bag. I put up a couple comps of what these were selling for on eBay individually. I'm just gonna put them in one giant lot and sell them off. We should get probably anywhere from like 50, 60 bucks for a lot.
So
That's not a give up though.
$5, sir. Thank you for the
anyway,
deal.
like I said, we're easy to work with.
I know, that's why we're still here.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, on these here, right here, I'm doing $3 on these.
$3 a piece?
Yep. And then this whole tape on this, I'm doing $2 for everything on this thing. And then from here down is all $10.
Gotcha. These are all 10.
And then this, I got the styrofoam thing and the
Okay. And that's
$3.
$3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything on this black thing, sir, is all $3 each.
Okay, thank you.
No, it's Santa Claus, huh?
Yep.
Do you have the box or anything for it or no?
I can put it in a bag for you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too, man. Man, this wind came out of nowhere. Oh, this is Busta Rhymes, brand new.
How much are your CDs?
$1 each. What is this? Bob Marley?
CDs, DVDs,
Shaggy?
music, everything's alright. Ain't got time to do other ones. I got too much stuff. I did check, make sure there was something in all of them.
Yeah.
You double check me. Sometimes people come by and take them. And
Yeah, I got you.
That's why.
Tupac? Those hip hop brand new CDs.
Rod, if I say to you Nintendo Switch dock, how much money do you say that's worth?
I think they're like around 20 to 25 bucks.
That's what I think. Yeah, I was like 4. So I asked him like how much. Like, oh, that's a big money item. And he's like, I was like, oh, is it? Because I, you know, for $5 I'd grab it because it had the power cord and all that. And he's like, yeah, 40. I'm like, ah, so retail? And he's like, that's not retail. I'm like, that is retail. Brand new.
How many you got?
55.
Let's go 40.
That's what I was thinking. Never gonna negotiate.
There you
Deal.
go. I'm here to sell.
It's 40
You're
bucks.
happy, I'm happy.
Yeah. Do you have a bag by any chance? I had to cut a lot of this footage out because the wind was blowing so hard. I picked up 55 CDs. About 50 of them were brand new sealed. And everything from like Tupac to Jay-Z, Busta Rhymes, tons of hip hop in here. We should do really well in this lot. Rocketeer. These are cool. 11. Is this all the cards you have?
Yeah.
If I buy them all, you do 50 cents a piece? No. What do you do? 8 for the? There's 11. 11. Would you do 8 for the 11?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. It's a whole bunch. I just got to pull them out.
Okay. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Man, I had so much fun picking with ADH Dave. If you guys don't know, we are at the Flea Across Florida. It's about a 250-mile highway sale across the top of Florida. You guys only saw a small portion of day one. You know, we picked for another 4 or 5 hours, so you'll see some more of the videos come out here in the near future. I started off my day with that huge Pokemon score. I got about 130 packs. As you saw the comp there, they were selling like 30 packs on eBay for about 120 bucks. So I should make a couple $100 just in that pickup there. We had that really disgusting situation where we were digging through the boxes filled with feces. From this date on, I will always keep hand sanitizer in my truck just for this reason. But let me know in the comments down below, what is the most disgusting thing that you guys have run into at a garage sale? Keep an eye out for old rap CDs, guys, especially if they're brand new sealed. They can actually sell really well. I bought those 55 CDs for 40 bucks. I should make $200+ on all those CDs, maybe more. And if you guys noticed at the very end there, I picked up those Rocketeer movie cards. They're actually for myself. I'm going to be working on a project here in the near future. So if any of you guys out there have old sealed wax packs or like, you know, packs of cards from the 80s and 90s, it doesn't have to be sports related. It could be movies or TV shows. Send me a message here. My contact information is down below. Hit me up on IG or send me an email. I'd be interested in possibly purchasing some. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We just hit 14,000 subs. So thank you so much for all the support. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. It does help out the channel. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.